Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video of Python course for beginners. So in this video we will learn about syntax and indentation of Python. So what is syntax? So syntax is nothing, just a structure to write a program. So in Python there is no need to write any other classes or functions. It's very simple to use. Just you have to write any function, any statement, any code, and it will run. So its syntax is very easy, its structure is very easy. So as I write a print function and I write hello, this is dear programmer in the print function. So this is a line, a print function, so it will run. So as compared to other programming languages, Python has very easy and simple syntax or structure. And we will learn about also indentation. What is indent? Indent is a spaces in the code. So if I give any space, so there is a red line showing here, and if I run this, so it's giving an error, indentation error, unexpected indent. It's mean there is an unexpected space or indent before this line. So in Python there is some rules of indent or spaces that you have to follow to write code, otherwise it will give you an error. So if I remove this, so this is now clear and it would run. So if I write another statement, so after this line I write another line, so that line should be below this one, and there should not be an extra space or indent. So this will also give an error because I have given extra space that is not allowed. So now this running, and in Python if I write if condition 5 greater than 2, and I will print 5 is greater than 2. So in Python there is no need to create blocks with the help of curly brackets. We create blocks with the help of indentation, with the help of spaces. So I have write in if and if condition and write in statement, print statement. So if I run this, so this is running perfectly. But if I remove this space, and it would give an error, that is indentation error, unexpected indent block after if statement on line 4. Because when we create an if statement, we have to create a block. So to create block in the Python, we have to give spaces after if statement, otherwise it would give an error. And if I write another, so this code, this line is out of the if block. When we write code in the indent after the if, it will be part of if statement in the block of if statement. But when we remove spaces, that I have you can see there is no space, then it would be out of the if statement. So if I do this like, then it would not print this one, but it will print this one, because this is the out of block of if statement. So out of if code, but 5 is greater than 2 is not printing, because this block is not running, and this line is out of the if block. So if I do this one, then it would be part of this if block. So when you are creating a block, you have to give a spaces after spaces or intent after that block or that statement that, and if you are closing the block, then you have to remove that extra space. So when you are creating Python programs, you have to take care of indent spaces in the program. We will learn about these when we learn more about this Python. So that's all for today. We will learn more about in the next videos.